Okay, hello, this is Sam BQ, and today we're gonna talk about B BQ3 for concept. Unity concept. I don't even really know what concepts we do anymore. But anyways, so the question is, how do the graphs of sine and cosine relate to each other? Emphasize asymptotes in your response. Okay, so it's a little bit messy in here, so I'm gonna use this one that I made myself. Okay, the red lines are the corresponding graphs, like the actual graphs that we're gonna graph, and then the black and blue pens are the cosine and sine. I use different ones for different color because I'm stupid like that. Anyways, in the first graph we have tangent, the graph of tangent, and then the black line, the black pen is the cosine graph, and then the blue pen is the sine graph. So in tangent, or the ratio for tangent is sine over cosine, and then asymptotes is where the lines cannot exist, and for tangent, where it is undefined, cosine has to be 0. So I'm gonna graph my cosine graph. The blue one is the sine, by the way. So I'm gonna use this time the cosine graph. And then every time where the cosine is 0 or x equals 0, I'm gonna draw an asymptote in here. You can't really see this. And zoom in, yeah, okay. So this is my asymptotes, and our tangent graph. Well, we do our thing. We know that tangent has a period of pi. So in here it's positive. Tangent is gonna be positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, and that's how our graph will look. Second graph, cotangent. Okay, same thing, but this time sine cannot be 0. And so we're gonna graph our sine graph, which is gonna be the black one. And every time where sine equals 0 or the x crosses the x-axis, we're gonna draw an asymptote in there. In here, you can't really see it because this is my y-axis, but then in here and in here, see? Also, like tangent, it has a period of pi, and it follows a different pattern because this is the only way a pattern will go. Yeah, it follows a straight curved line following the asymptotes. So, okay, next graph is the secant graph. Secant is just basically cosine. So we're gonna graph our cosine graph, which is the black one, and we're gonna do it. So cosine, asymptotes is where cosine equals 0, or where it crosses the x-axis, basically. So where it crosses the x-axis, we're here, asymptote, and we're here, asymptote. So okay, and then in secant and cosecant, basically what we do is every time where there's a hill, we draw an opposite curve, a curve opposite to the thing. If I don't think I'm making myself sound correct, but yeah, that's how it is. So it goes up. And in here, see, both of these mouth touch. I guess you could call them mouth, kind of like kiss, like mwah. Okay, and asymptote, and here. Yep. Cosecant graph. Okay, so we're gonna grab cosecant is just basically sine, reciprocal of sine. So we're gonna do sine, and the asymptotes are going to be where sine equals 0. And in here, our sine is gonna touch right here, asymptote right here in the y-axis line, asymptote in here where it gets 0, and asymptote in here 0. Yep. Also, like the secant graph, our cosecant graph is also gonna go opposite to the hill valley. It's better visualized. It's better seen than heard. See? And this will be all. That's how all these graphs correlate to one another. Thank you, and yep.